'Twas the night before Christmas, Tasmanians, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even an overly confident real estate agent. This guy. He sprang to his sleigh and to his team he gave a whistle, and I heard him exclaim, "This one will not last long, Tasmanians. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." But seriously, Tasmanians, we have a fantastic opportunity here at 79 Corranga Drive in Chigwell. It's a 4, almost 5-bedroom home that is ripe for renovation or future development. I mean, who wouldn't love a home for Christmas? I know this guy would. Emma, hint, hint.